So the way to do hyperlinks in HTML is fairly simple. First of all, you just have to start out with your HTML. So you open up the HTML with the brackets, you do a head, and then you want to do a title. Let's call this, in between the title, you do test with hyperlinks. Alright, and then you end the title by putting the slash before the word. You end the head. Now this is going to be very basic. You do body, and now the way you do hyperlink inside the body is you do A, which stands for anchor, href equals, and then you do the quotation marks. Now the quotation marks have to be straight up and down. They can't be curled or sideways, and if they are, you have to go to your system preferences and fix that. Now let's add a link. This is going to be to my email, so it's mail.google.com, and it goes to my inbox. Now you add another quotation mark. It has to be straight again, and now closing bracket. Do what you want to say. So you can go click here, and then the way you close it is you add an anchor with a slash before it, which will close it. So slash anchor closing bracket, and now so it should look like href equals straight quotation marks, the uniform resource locator, what you want your link to say, and then the closing anchor. And now after that, what you will do is so after you get that done, you will close the body, and then you will close the HTML. And then what you can do is you can I already have this saved. However, if you do, you can do Command Shift S or Command Control Shift S, and that will make a copy of it or make it save as. So you can save it as something else, but we're not going to do that right now, so I'll just delete that one. And now you see this window came up. What you can do is you always want to save it as a .html, so I'll just call it b.html, and then you can have it whatever you want to do. Make sure that it's always set to UTF-8. Usually on a Mac computer like this, it will ask you, are you sure you want to save it as an HTML, or if you want to do it as a text file. I'll always choose HTML. And now you can go to your Finder or Windows Explorer or File Explorer if you're using a newer Windows computer. And then, oh, here's my test with hyperlinks that I was just doing. Open it up. That opens up as a new tab in Safari, and it goes to my website. And you can see, very basic, it just has a link in the upper left hand corner that says click here. Click on that, and it changes to my email. So now you have the email. So that's how you do hyperlinks.